Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to No Bullshit Reviews. I'm your host Leo. This is the channel where we review tech and we figure out if it's bullshit or if it's worth it. Today we're going to be reviewing the Spigen Powerarc wireless charger. I've been in the market for a new charger for a while, ever since I rearranged my whole desk setup. I did have one from Target. I'll show you that in a minute here, but it just wasn't going with the vibe anymore, the aesthetic. I'll go ahead and post the video to the desk setup up there in one of the two top corners. But without further ado, if you do me a favor real quick, like and subscribe to the channel, I'd greatly appreciate that. And let's jump right into the video. As technology's gotten better, we've always carried power bricks around, but power bricks have always gotten smaller and have always gotten faster as far as charging. But when it comes to connecting the end of that power cable into your phone, we're left with very limited options. Plus, who wants their cable bent like this on their desk? I purchased mine from Amazon for $25, but if you got it like that, you can buy it from Spigen's website for $49.99. Inside the box, you get a thank you card, a card promoting their gallium nitrate power chargers, and your usual user manual. There's also a 6.6 foot or 2 meter USB-C cable included. The device's product page says that it provides 10 watts of power for charging Galaxy and Galaxy Note devices, 7.5 watts of power for charging iPhone 8 and later models, and 15 watts of wireless charging power for Pixel devices. It weighs a little over 2 ounces and is as light as a feather, but with the rubberized bottom and top, it won't slide like butter across your desk. I connected my cable into my second monitor's USB-C port and plugged the other end into the device. The green light in the front of the device will indicate that the charger is receiving power. And when you're ready to charge your phone, just put your phone right on the pad. I noticed during my testing, the phone does need to be right in the middle of the pad. Otherwise you won't get any charge. I also noticed when you put your phone halfway on the device, the green light in the front will flash, trying to indicate that it's trying to send power. It knows there's a phone there, but it's not reaching. So you do have to make sure that your phone is in the middle of the pad in order to get charge. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you liked what you saw, go ahead and please give me a like, subscribe to the channel down below so you never miss when we upload another video. Do I think it's worth it or do I think it's bullshit? I think it's worth it. It might be made out of plastic, but it charges the phone fast enough for my needs and for when I need it, and it has a very premium look to it. Please leave a comment down below, let me know what you liked or didn't like about the video, and also in the description I'll leave a link to the product also. Until the next video, thanks guys.